So, hello, good evening.
Yeah, very good evening, man. So, by the way, actually, we are meeting first time. So, please say something about yourself. Then we will discuss.
Topic.
Anything.
Okay, yeah, we are meeting first time. We both are strangers. So, first, I think we should introduce to each other. Then we will
Okay,
start something with the topic. Okay.
sure, sure.
Okay. So, let me start first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm Preeti and I'm an English teacher. I'm working in a private school. Basically, I'm from Haryana and right now I'm living in Bahadurgarh, that is near New Delhi. Apart from my teaching profession, I'm running my two YouTube channel. First is Easy Way to Learn with Preeti, that is my study channel, and another one is Easy Way Vlog, that is my vlogging channel. That's all about me.
Okay, ma'am.
So now it's
Okay,
your
ma'am.
turn.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, thank you for saying about myself. My name is Varun, and I am from West Bengal. Now, I'm a student. I'm studying college. This is my final year, actually. And yeah, I'm running a YouTube channel also because of my English. Actually, in this time I'm practicing English, so that's why actually I am uploading video related conversation or related any topic for spoken English.
Okay,
Yeah, that's all about me.
that's very nice. Great. Okay, so you are a student, and what are you doing right? Like, which course you are doing?
Okay, ma'am, actually now I am studying BSc in physics honors.
BSc of science
Yeah,
student.
yes.
Great. Okay. So, what is your aim in life? Like, what you want to do?
Okay, ma'am, actually now I'm doing BSc, but after college I want to prepare for civil services. Actually, I want to go for civil service because in this time also I'm preparing, but full time I will do after college because there are some reason. Actually, now I cannot study properly because I don't have time, so that's why.
Okay.
Yeah,
Um, okay, I think, but for civil services, you have to take art subject, right?
yeah. Art subject. There are some subject actually history, geography, polity, economics. That's this type of actually subject.
Then you will do art, your graduation in art again after BSc.
No, ma'am, actually, no. Actually, it's not required. Actually, when I was studying 11th and 12th, sorry, when I have done class 10, after that, actually, that time I was thinking I should go for science subject because that time I was a good student of science. So that's why that time I did choose. And after class 12, sorry, after class 10, when I was studying class 11 and 12, that time I was feeling actually. Good at physics subject, so that's why I admitted in college, and now actually I'm doing BSc in physics honors.
Hmm.
And also actually with physics honors I'm studying with some subject or something which will help me for civil services.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go in civil services, and why you want to go in civil services? It means what's going on in your mind. You can take any good step in science also, like you are doing in BSc. Then you can do MSc or MSc in any subject like physics honor.
Okay, ma'am, actually, yeah, there are some way, but actually now I am feeling if I go for civil services, then I will connect on the society. Actually, I will work for society, so that's why. And now I am feeling if I go for society, then I will do better. So that's why actually I want to go.
Hmm. But
Also,
I
actually,
think science side
one
also there. Hmm.
yes, ma'am, actually I have good knowledge about physics, and also I have cleared one exam, IIT Jam. So for masters, but I don't want to go for masters actually.
You don't want to go in teaching profession.
Yeah, right.
But in my opinion, I think teaching is the noble, most respected job, and
Yes,
no
ma'am.
doubt.
Actually,
Anyhow, if you are choosing teaching, then you can also connect with the society, and you can
yes, yes.
you can make the pillar of the society, like through student.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I also like, and now actually I am teaching some student also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that definitely which I observed from my childhood to till now. Like during my childhood, I was just like okay student. Like I was average. I that time I never think like I one day I will be a teacher. But right now, when I'm teaching in the school, I always make my lesson plan, and during my lesson plan, I realized I updated with the time, and now I observed in myself a drastic change. Like first, I always cleared the topic before teaching in the school and class, and with the passing of time, my knowledge is also increasing day by day. So definitely, anyhow, when we share our knowledge, definitely our own knowledge increase. So it is my opinion. Like teaching is the best profession.
Yes, ma'am. I like also. Okay, ma'am. So why you teach in English subject? What's your reason behind it actually?
Actually, this is my subject. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have done MBA, then ME English, and B.Ed. So in B.Ed, I have two specialization like SST and English, and my whole education is from English medium background. So I think,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, that I choose English as a subject.
You teach English medium school or any state board?
No,
Okay,
in English medium school.
okay, ma'am. So now, what kind of problem you faced your school when you teach English?
Problem. Sometimes like that is not problem. I think every day we face different. So these are the different tasks you can say during in the class and during the session. Like in school, when I take different classes, like I'm taking TGT classes there, fifth to tenth classes. So in one classroom, different students, different mindset, different stars we are taking, we are handling them. So sometimes it is very difficult to take every students with the with any topic. Like suppose I am teaching any grammar topic, and anyhow suppose I am teaching noun, I'm teaching sentence. So that topic we are learning from first class, from first or second onward. And some students are very brilliant. They always try to give answer before questioning, before completing the question. And
Mhm.
some students are average, like they always give answer when I recall their names. But some are very weak also, like 4 to 5 students in every class. They never want to stand in the class. They never want to give the answer. So I always think like, what can I do special? Like, which type of remedial classes I can give them in school timing, because we have limited time, and with that limited time period, we have uh, to complete our task, our syllabus with everyone. And during exam also, like all exam papers are equal for everyone. So that time, like this question always remains in my mind. How can I teach those students, those weak students, so that they can also manage with the whole class?
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I remember one questions. Can I say?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So you said you teach grammar also. So in my opinion, okay. So my question is that if anyone wants to learn this language, so
Hmm.
what kind of grammar is important for English speaking?
Okay. For beginner,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
For beginners. Yeah.
I think for beginner there is no rules. Hard rules and regulations are important. If you if you want to learn English only in starting stage, so I think we have to just increase our confidence and like to speak out. So, which I observe something sometimes a person is very good knowledge, even though he is not able to speak out, and some person are very feel hesitate during video call, especially, and they are youngsters, and maybe they are in their old age also. But anyhow, which I observe, they never take the courage. They never try to put up their stories to speak out in front of others. That is the lack of confidence only, which I observe in most of Indians, because it is not our first language. English is
Hmm.
not our first language. So anyhow, we all are familiar. We all are very confident in our native language. So when the count comes for speaking English, in that case, we feel hesitation, nervousness. Sometimes we feel like our mind goes blank, but that time our mind is not going blank. I think it's lack of confidence only. And anyhow, if we feel like if we try to do speak English on a daily basis, within 1 month we can definitely find out a different type of change in ourselves. So for beginner and for learners, I think grammar is not important, but yes, sentence structure, that is really important. Like we have just the knowledge of what is a sentence, what is a subject, what is the object and verb, all these basic grammars only.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, by the way, actually, I want to know, when you were studying your BA, that time you can speak or not?
In graduation, not in graduation, even when I started my teaching, that time I was not able to speak English.
Okay, ma'am. So,
Which
actually, how did you learn this language, and what's your experience actually? What kind of things we should focus very much, or what kind of things we should not focus actually?
I think we should focus just only to do practice on daily basis. Like in starting, we as much time we can spend, we should spend like 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever time we have. That is depend on the person. And second thing which we should not focus, that is what other persons will think about me if I will speak wrong, because this is the biggest mentality. We always think like if I will speak wrong and if the other person is very expert, so in that case maybe if I will speak if I will make wrong sentence, in that case what will happen. So I always think like let them laugh and let them speak. If any person is speaking and laughing at you, never think, never ever think what the others are thinking and saying about us. Always try to focus on our own goal, like what you want to do. Like my focus is also like on that. I just want to fluent with the passing of time. I always like to be updated with the time, because it is the biggest quality which every teacher should have.
Yes.
So that's why I always try with to be updated with the time. I joined this Skype app only just to increase my knowledge with my co-learners and with the other and intermediate and experts.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, do you feel if now actually we are learning this language, so we should learn accent?
I think accent is not so important according to me. We can speak in our own accent, like Indian accent. I never try to imitate others like British accent and American accent, because we are Indians and we always speak English in a mixed up mixed up. Like
Yeah, yeah, right.
we are taking some words from British English and some words we are pronouncing from American accent. So sometimes it is really mismatched. So in that case, I always think like we should speak in our own Indian accent. No need to
Yeah.
copy us. This is my thinking.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Yeah. Right now, where are you living in West Bengal?
In Purulia district, and actually I belong from rural area totally.
Okay.
Yeah. And okay, ma'am. Actually, by the way, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Haryana.
Okay.
Have you heard about Haryana?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Actually,
Okay.
Haryana.
Yeah, this is the northern part of India, like Haryana, Rajasthan, Himachal, all these parts. And
Yeah,
I
yeah,
never
right.
stayed in the south part.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so every day, how many hours or how many minutes you spend for conversation or like for practice?
Ma'am, actually nowadays my exam is going on, so that's why actually. I don't invest time for English speaking, but sometimes I practice with myself, talking with myself, and sometimes I record myself. Actually, I upload recording video also. Actually, if anyone actually, I upload related spoken English. Sometimes I upload how to practice English, what kind of grammar is important. This type of actually video I upload for
Mm-hmm.
practicing.
That is really good. If
Yeah.
sometimes like if we are feeling I have no partner, so in that case we should not sit idle, and that is really good. I also make solo videos, but I
Oh,
make solo videos for grammar topics. Yes, when I
oh,
started my channel, na, that from that time I'm uploading videos, solo videos, and I started my conversation from February. Yes, February this year. So sometimes, whenever I feel relaxed, so in that case, I always like to make solo videos, and that is
oh.
really good. You have to be touched with your topic. Like English is my subject, so I always like to prefer my syllabus books and syllabus topics.
Oh. Okay, ma'am. So, do you speak English with your family or not?
What? Pardon?
Do you, do you speak English with your family or not?
Okay, okay. No, with my
Oh,
family members. Most of my family members speak Hindi.
oh. Okay, ma'am. So, by the way, actually, how many language do you speak or do you know?
Only two languages, I can say only Hindi and English. And here in Haryana, Haryanvi is a dialect. That is not a language. So yeah, I know a little bit Haryanvi also, and Hindi and English. Yes, these two languages which I have full command. You can say.
Okay.
And
Actually,
which is
ma'am,
your language there?
yeah, this is my last year.
I'm asking which is your native language there.
Okay, my native language is Bengali, and I can speak Bengali, Hindi, and little bit English.
Okay, okay. Bengali.
Yeah.
Okay. And Bengali is also taught in schools there.
Yes, yes, ma'am. When I was studying class 1 to 12, that time I was studying in Bengali medium.
That's and I heard like Bengali is a very sweet language.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, world's sweet language is Bengali. Okay, ma'am. So it is going too long. So,
Okay,
so
no problem. You can
okay, ma'am. So thank you for talking with me, and we will meet again.
okay, thank you so much and have a nice day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.